In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects in Slack. We'll keep everything inside Slack using Slack lists, so you can track tasks, milestones, and progress without hopping between tools. By the end, you'll know how to set up a tracker, customize the fields that matter, and switch views to see your project from different angles. First, let's create your tracker. In the Slack sidebar, click the plus button labeled Create, then choose List. You can start with a blank list if you want full control, or pick the project tracker template for a quick, structured starting point. The template gives you a solid foundation, while starting from scratch is great if you already know exactly how you want to organize your work. Next, customize the fields so your tracker actually reflects how your team operates. Add a column for assignee, so each task clearly belongs to someone. Add a due date column to keep timelines front and center. Include a priority column to help your team focus on what's most important first. And finally, add a status column. Common statuses include in progress, blocked, and done, which cover the essential states of most tasks. Keep your status names short and consistent so the whole team understands them at a glance. As you edit these fields, think about how your team communicates. Clear assignees, realistic due dates, and a simple status flow will prevent confusion later. Once your tracker is set, it's time to switch views based on what you need to see. Use the table view for detailed tracking. This is where you'll see all your columns in a grid, making it easy to sort and scan by assignee, due date, or priority. Switch to the board view for a Kanban-style workflow. This layout shines when you want to move tasks across stages. Drag a card from in progress to done, and watch your progress come to life. When you need to understand timing, pick the timeline view. It lays tasks out over a schedule so you can spot overlaps, sequence work, and make sure nothing slips past its due date. Jump between views anytime. They're all looking at the same data, just in different formats. That's it. With Slack lists, you can create a tracker, customize the crucial fields, and toggle between views to manage your projects end to end without leaving Slack.